keep on telling myself that the church is not the building. The church is the people. The church is the person headed by God. Why? Because if your God is in you, He will live in you. You are the church that you will bring yourself to the people. If we're talking about the kingdom of God, it's like it will not continue. There's no existence of a kingdom if there are no people in it, or people doing the things that the kingdom is described. The kingdom of God is full of goodness, righteousness, exhibition of love, manifestation of God's abundant blessings through goodness of people, through generosity. And how do we express all of those? By what? Giving ourselves to the goal, to the actions that will lead us into a cumulative movement to make or to build this kingdom. So for that's what I can share about being the church. It's not going to the church. It's you who is being built by God to be the church to the people. Correct me if I'm wrong.